Tomorrow is the start of a new month, and for millions of Americans, that will mean major changes to their federal student loan plans. The Trump administration ending a Biden-era repayment program, which means those borrowers have to switch to a new plan. ABC's Reena Roy has more on what borrowers need to know.
A major shakeup for the federal student loan program, which will affect millions of borrowers across the country. The changes go into effect July 1st and will mean some Americans, especially those who are lower income, will face higher monthly payments on their student loans. Other borrowers will face new limits on loans. The Trump administration calling it the biggest overhaul to the student loan program in decades. One of the biggest changes, the end of a Biden-era repayment program called SAVE, which was funded by taxpayer money. About 7 million borrowers are currently enrolled in that program and now have 90 days to switch to a new plan.
It's not your neighbor's job to repay your loan. It's your job to repay your loan. But there are tools available to help you to make sure that you have a manageable payment.
There will also now be a cap on how much money graduate students can borrow. Before, they could borrow up to the cost of their tuition and fees. Critics say this could deter people from pursuing higher education.
And those students are going to be forced to look for alternate sources of financing, forced to borrow less, or may end up foregoing graduate education altogether.
Now, the Education Department has created a repayment calculator on its website where students can compare plans and calculate monthly bills. Borrowers can apply for one of the two new plans on studentaid.gov. Reena Roy, ABC News, New York.